We use this to describe our example, the university. Okay, to describe the university, NTU or NCKU. So NTU NCKU is an object. So we click here and double click. Double click here. Okay. Double click there here and the system will appear and you can draw it. And actually you can see something here. Actually you can type here. So for example is NCKU and here is a class, is a university. University. Actually, you can type in Chinese. Okay, it's no problem. And when I type here, the up right lower left right column, and actually when I type here, and it shown here, it automatically. So there are two correspondent. And some property, okay, just skip it. I don't want this one. Okay, and second column is for the data type. So it could be, for example, we can have a president. Okay, president, and actually it's a name, right? So it's actually it's characters. So actually, because it's just idea, you don't have to worry about is syntactically correct or not. It just follow some convention is okay. OK， 也就是说这个东西啊，就是你爱怎么打都可以，你把它打中文也可以啊。这里是一个字串，因为目前它不是执行用的，它只是一个描述的工具而已啊。So you can type is a 校长。The president. Okay, you can have for example, you can type here, and here is 学校的面积. Okay, area, and area is a real number. Okay, real number 是实数啦，好，实数. Okay, and you can have. You can also have, for example, population. 对不对？多少人 ？Okay, population is an integer.
It can be real.
It can be real. It's not real. Okay. So you can have many abstract here, any abstract you like. Okay, you can describe the abstract here, and now it's operation, right? So for the university, you can use some. For example, you can type it's a registration, right? And it could be a person. The data type is person. Probably you have to define a new data type called person, right? Or student, right? And also you can hire faculties or names, right? Hire someone, right? So that's you can do something upon the system, the university. Okay. Also, probably you can create new college, right? For the university, you can create a new college. Okay, the new college is actually still a characters, a name of the name of the college, the new college name, right? The name of the new college. Okay? So here in this area, you can describe some operations or functions or method. You can do something on it, right? And the responsibility, the last one, the responsibility is, well, we can put some constraint or condition here. So probably number of population should be larger than, for example, 1,000. That means you cannot find a university, the population of that university is less than 1,000. 就是没有你不到1000人，你不能成为一个大学。If you put a constraint there, that means that. So in your system, for example, you are the Minister of the Education, and you set up a rule, say, okay, any university should larger than 1,000 students. And the student number should be larger than 1,000. Okay. So 你可以设一些这个好 constraint 在这边。所以这个观念，这些观念呢，就是一个 is a object. Okay, so we call it it's an object. Okay, and so we can have another object. So probably we can call it it's college of planning. Okay, we like the planning. College of planning. So college of planning is kind of a college. Okay, and also we have a theme here. So the data type of theme is a name. Okay, we have a population. Okay, population is integer, something like that. Okay, so we can create an object for the university and another object of the college, right? And the college is part of university, so we can find a part of its aggregation. So if university is not there, it's destroyed. Probably our college is still there. So I would like it to be a aggregation. Okay. So aggregation is here, right? So it's very aggregation system. Yeah, and okay. See, so it's very convenient because you don't have to. It just close it and you will find the point. 啊，就是说，你知道它这个很容易啊，你一拉到旁边，它就自动被你画出来了，而且呢。And if you move here and it move, okay, so it's very it's a good tool, okay. 好，所以你可以有，比如这个你设计学院对不对 ？You can have another one, and here you can have for example, the College of Engineering. So you can describe the university. Okay? So there is an instance, and they have some relation between them. Okay? So and okay, we can Another one. For example, is another university. We call it here. 中兴大学 ，OK。Let me see. And actually, the 中兴大学 and the NCKU will establish a T4 association. Okay, so as an association, so we use and the bidirection, so we use this one here. Let me see. 对啊，是这个。
你够好，怎么够？
嗯。
还是叫我换掉，我想说我得换掉。
We would like to use this one. Okay. Oops, sorry. Here. And here. And teach 2. No, we say T4. T4 association. T4 联盟。Okay. That means and 所以这里呢，我们建了一个关系，就是 NCKU 跟中兴大学他们之间有一个签了一个合约，我们称它叫做 T4 联盟。We delete it. Okay. That's a association. 对不对？这两个大学中间不是 part of， 也不是 is， 他们建了一个这个战略联盟，所以他们叫做好，所以我们就这个 association， is T4 association。
那底下那个0到2，
它这个底下这个是 cardinality， so could be 1 to 1, just like we mentioned the cardinality 1 to 1 or many to many. So here. If here is 1 to 1, only one, okay. Or probably we can create, actually, okay, we can create another one here. Is we call it. 比如说，我们说这个叫做大学联盟，有一个关系啊，大学联盟的关系 ，OK， and actually is a member， 所以这个 member 呢也是要这个啊，这个关系不见了，大学还在啊，对不对？如果哪一天闹翻了，这个关系不玩了，对不对？好。那如果这个的关系哈，这样也可以拿掉。好看，其实这有很多种不同的表现方法。好，好 ，OK。So in this practice, we can describe the relation of the structure of the objects is static， 所以这个是静态的，就是 object 之间的关系，对不对？然后呢，事实上呢，我们可以，所以 OK，you can see there are many symbols you can use， OK， so you can actor, you can use case， Okay, for example, we can move to another one. Let me see.